Welcome to all participants. I am Rajesh Tiwari, lecturer and head in Department of Computer Technology of VYWS Polytechnic, Badnera. Friends, today I am delivering this session about the importance and use of ICT tool in education. Before moving to content, I would like to make some ground for today's session. As you know, we are facing COVID pandemic, and in COVID pandemic, maintaining flow and quality of education is a big challenge for all of us. Friends, along with social distancing, distance learning has increasing a lot. I am working for distance learning since 2012, where 8 to 9 stakeholders are work together to ensure smooth launching of e-platform. But today, in limited resource and limited staff, doing same is difficult task. Before COVID-19, for e-platform, faculties are responsible to develop their subject matters only. But now, during COVID-19, we expect faculty not only prepare their subject matter, but also they launch their subject matter on various platform available e-learning platform. Friend, it is difficult for the faculties having less experience with IT. For all in such cases, we need some efficient ICT tool, and friend, believe me, Active Presenter has capabilities to solve it. Dear participant, now I would like to take your attention on today's topic, Active Presenter 8, and here we are going to learn ActiveX Presenter, how we work with ActiveX Presenter. First of all, we check today's learning objective, and then we proceed to different parts of ActiveX Presenter. So let's start, friend, by our today's topic, Active Presenter 8. Before proceeding to our demonstration, we set some learning objective for today's tutorial. Friend, first of all, we check how to download Active Presenter on your PC or on your laptop. Then friend, we check also how to install Active Presenter on computer. Finally, we conclude today's part 1 day video of this tutorial. We conclude with the integrated development environment provided by ActiveX Presenter. The various facilities and tools which is provided by Active Presenter, we going to learn and introduce ourselves by these tools under the title of IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment of Active Presenter. Friend, it is quite good to proceed our topic with introduction of Active Presenter. First of all, we check what is Active Presenter and how it is beneficial for us. So friend, Active Presenter is a screencasting and e-learning software for Microsoft Windows and Mac. That means friend, it is always available with Microsoft Windows and Mac, but not suitable for Linux distribution. So you better use with Microsoft Windows or with Mac operating system. Second, this software is suitable for preparing demonstration or simulation of software or application you develop. Also, it is suitable for preparing quiz for student, etc. Friend, this Active Presenter also allow you to export a series of images. Same time, this Active Presenter can also useful to convert your PowerPoint presentation to several video. Friend, this fourth feature or fourth part which explain I here in this video is very helpful to protect your e-content from unauthorized user. If you create your PPT, it may be chance that this utilized by some unauthorized person, but if you convert your e-content or PowerPoint presentation in video format, then it is near about zero chances that some unauthorized person may use your content. Here friend, I articulate some advantage of Active Presenter. First of all, Active Presenter is useful for recording complete or portion of screen as per your need. By using this Active Presenter, friend, you can record your computer screen or portion of your screen which you want to demonstrate to your user or student. Second, during development of e-content with Active Presenter, friend, there is no requirement of internet. Internet is required only to download and install your Active Presenter. After installation, anytime you use this app without internet connection. Very striking feature this is. Third point, no time limit. By using Active Presenter, you can create your video from some few minutes to several hours. There is no restriction about the recording time. Next, fourth feature or advantage which is provided by Active Presenter is it allow you to develop e-content, also export this e-content into 8 different formats. You develop your e-content with Active Presenter and convert it into PDF or convert it into document or convert it into PPT, or you may convert it into video or HTML. So friend, there are 8 different formats which is provided by Active Presenter to convert your e-content. And last advantage, which is very interesting and attracting, that is this all 4 facilities provided by Active Presenter is free. Though we are using free, but there are still 2 versions which required some payment, standard edition and professional, that is pro edition. So friend, let's check out how to download Active Presenter on your PC. To download Active Presenter, we must visit Atomy System, who is developed this Active Presenter. We visit to download page of Atomy System and download Active Presenter's latest version. So let's check out, friend. First of all, we are going on Google search page, and on Google search page you have to type Active Presenter. When you type and search Active Presenter free download, at very first search link on search page, very first link is showing. Please check this and click on this link. This link let you allow to visit home page of atomysystem.com and redirect you to download page. After appearing this page, scroll down. Dear participant, please check here 2 version, Windows and Mac version of Active Presenters is available. The current version of Active Presenter is 8.0.7. You may download Active Presenter for Windows, or you may download Active Presenter for your Mac operating system. So participant, we work with Windows environment, so we download Active Presenter for Windows 10. Click on download button and it will start your
downloading of Active Presenter. After completion of downloading, you will get Active Presenter underscore version 8.0.7 underscore setup. Friend, just simply double click on this setup to launch or start installation process of Active Presenter 8. After this, installation window asks you about the acceptance of agreement. Click on next button. The very next window will show you the default path of installation of Active Presenter in your PC. In my PC, this path is program files atomy underscore Active Presenter. Means all the video or e-content which you create with the help of Active Presenter are stored in this location. simply click on next button and press install button to start your installation process. Friend, when you complete your installation, the last window of installation will show the complete the Active Presenter setup wizard, and on this window you press finish button. This will launch your Active Presenter and opens a startup page. When you complete your Active Presenter installation, it will create icon on your desktop, and for first time when you open this icon for Active Presenter, it asks for select a particular UI theme. UI theme means user interface theme. It may be light or it may be dark. As per your choice, you may select UI theme for your environment of Active Presenter. Friend, after selecting appropriate UI theme, you get startup page. A startup page will appear and display all the components of that theme which you selected. It startup page allow you to quickly start new project as well as access useful resources such as template and samples shown on this right hand side. Friend, this startup page is divided in two parts. First one is a left pan and center pan. This blue portion is known as left pan and this right portion is known as center pan. This left portion consists several resources like blank project, record video, record software simulation, responsive project, or import already created PowerPoint or open already created any Active Presenter project. Plus it provides some shortcuts like YouTube icon to publish your e-content on YouTube, recorded video on YouTube, or it provide online help support center. It also allow you to change the default setting by simply placing on this icon. You may change the preference which is provided by Active Present as per your choice. So friend, we start with startup page. As I say, this left pan is divided into near about 6 to 8 various resources, and this center pan divided into three parts: template, sample and help. Friend, this template are the images which are very useful to create a project or blank project where you can add this content such as images or into videos or in slide form or in any PowerPoint presentation. You can also add new record slide to a project by recording screen as a video or as a software simulation. This samples, friend, it is one another tab provide on center pan. This provide you some inbuilt projects which are created by Active Presenter for your use, like this one, this animal favorite food. This is one app which is created by Active Presenter for memory test. Third tab, help. This provide you online help or purchasing a product of Active Presenter. As I told you earlier, standard or professional version you may purchase from here. For that you use this active product button and simply place your purchase order. So friend, we start with our first Active Presenter. For that we must know integrated development of Active Presenter. Then we start from this blank project. This blank project allows you to create a empty project and leads you to next area which is known as workspace. Friend, this complete screen is known as workspace. After startup page, when we select blank project or any record video, then it opens a workspace. This workspace is divided in again three parts: menu tab, documentation section and status bar. Friend, this one is a status bar. This menu tab again divided into some sub menus that are shown on this menu tab. There are near about 9 to 10 menus which may be helpful for your content development. First of all, this active presenter, this menu component provide you all the features which you see on startup page, plus it provide facility to save document or close your current project or open existing project. All the options or resources which is provided by startup page are again shown on workspace by this active presenter menu tab. Friend, this next home menu allows you to create a slide of your choice, new slide, or change the layout of site. This insert menu allows you to insert various components like shape, text, web browsing, mouse events, etc. This next question menus allow you to create 11 different types of questions. These all menus, how they are work, how can you use, when you can use, we see in part 2. This time we just check the integrated IDE environment of active presenters, so we are just overlooking on these tabs. Transaction and animation are also provided by PowerPoint presentation. Export, mostly used by the developer of active presenter or e-content developer of active presenter to export their content in image form, video form, or HTML form. View is one another menu component to display all the components or windows which are not available in by default option to develop your e-content. Then after this menu component, your workspace area is divided into documentation part. The next part is documentation part. This documentation part consists some quick access and documentation area. Quick access consists several sub sources like create a blank project or open existing project or save your current working project, undo or redo, slideshows or slide area, plus timeline for your audio and video text material. It also shows some property windows or some other windows like object window and etc. These are helpful to develop your e-content. Friends, in part 1 of Active Presenter, we learn how to download and install Active Presenter. Same time, we introduce ourselves by the integrated development environment provided by Active Presenter, where we see start page and different resources on start page. Same time, we see the workspace area, which again divided in 3 parts, that are menu tab, documentation section, and status bar. Friend, in part 2 of Active Presenter, we will going to try hands-on on creating blank project and one recording of video. Till goodbye, friend.